Here's a full, easy to follow guide to getting NordVPN up and running on your Android device. Works great for users in Saudi Arabia, UAE, and the broader Middle East. This covers both the official app and optional advanced setups. Step by step, NordVPN setup on Android. Get the official NordVPN app. 1. Open the Google Play Store on your Android phone or tablet. 2. Search for NordVPN, official app. 3. Tap Install to download the app. Note, if the Play Store isn't available in your country, you can download the APK from the official NordVPN website. Enable installs from unknown sources in Android settings to install it. Open NordVPN and log in. 1. Launch the NordVPN app after installation. 2. Tap Login, or sign up if you don't have an account yet. 3. You'll be redirected to your browser to enter your Nord account credentials, email/username plus password. 4. Once logged in, return to the NordVPN app. Tip: you can create an account during this process if you haven't subscribed yet. Connect to a VPN server. Once logged in, quick connect, tap Secure My Connection. The app will automatically connect you to a fast server. Choose a specific country/region, swipe up or tap the countries/location section. Pick a country, example UAE or nearby, to connect there for best performance in the Middle East. Disconnect *, tap pause rightward arrow, disconnect when you want to stop the VPN. NordVPN support. 1. Optional settings to improve your experience. Choose the fastest protocol NordLynx 1. Tap your profile icon, bottom right. 2. Go to settings, rightward arrow, location and protocol. 3. Select NordLynx for the best speed and security. NordLynx is Nord's WireGuard-based protocol, usually fastest and most reliable. Enable Auto Connect, to ensure you're always protected. 1. Go to settings. 2. Turn on Auto Connect, example connect whenever you join Wi-Fi or mobile data. Explore extra features, threat protection blocks ads, trackers, unsafe sites when connected. MeshNet creates a secure network between your devices. Split tunneling, choose which apps use the VPN, Android only. Kill switch stops internet if VPN drops, keeping your data safe. Advanced, manual, setup options. If you prefer not to use the official app or you need to configure specific protocols, you can set up NordVPN manually. OpenVPN manual setup. 1. In your Nord account on a browser, download the OpenVPN config files for the server you want. 2. Install OpenVPN Connect from the Play Store. 3. Import the downloaded config file into OpenVPN Connect. 4. Enter your Nord service credentials when prompted and connect. This option is more advanced and generally slower than the official app but offers extra control. Troubleshooting common Android issues. If NordVPN won't connect or has issues on your Android device, restart your phone and network, Wi-Fi/data. Quit, uninstall then reinstall the NordVPN app. Try switching protocols, NordLynx/TCP/UDP. If nothing helps, reset network settings on the device.